Now we will talk about a very important term in wave theory, that is called phase. Now what is a phase? Do we have a diagram? Yes, we have a diagram. What is a phase? Any guesses? Let us say these are 2 points A and B, and this is your car and this is your friend's car, and you are moving along a highway. So let us say that you both travel with the same speed, and none of you overtakes the other one, and you never encounter any traffic. So that means at every position till you reach your destination, you are at the same location, just at different lanes. Now this is what in physics is known as in phase. That you people were moving in the same direction with the same velocity. That means you never overtook one another and you were in phase. The other scenario would be out of phase. Out of phase would be what? Out of phase would be that one of you overtook the another. So this was the first position of both of you. Now let us say this is the second position of the person at A. Now the person has overtook the person B. So this is what we call out of phase. In wave theory, this would be something like this. If this is my first wave and this is my second wave, that is exactly the same. The crest, the trough, the crest lies exactly in the same position. These are called in phase. There is nothing different to them. They're exactly the same. But let us look at this example. So this is my first wave and this is my second wave. Now this was the crest, this was the trough. Now this is the crest and this is the trough. Okay. Now at the same location, one is vibrating down while the other is vibrating up. So this scenario is known as out of phase. That they are no more identical to one another. One of them has overtook the other one and now they are out of phase. So this is what we call in phase and out of phase. So if two waves that vibrate in the same plane and travel along the same path, they interfere with each other. Now what is this interference? We have talked about phase, that you were moving in the same direction with the same speed. In phase, different speeds, out of phase. Now what is this term interference?